Hey guys, welcome to Diecast. So in this episode, I am still continuing this Initial D, and right now I have this Nissan Skyline GTR R32 from Initial D Legend 2, and it's from that film. Again, there's a difference, like there's a film, there's the manga, and also there's the TV series that's going on. So I'll just show you the box all around. So there's a little snippet of some clips from the movie on the side here. On the other side. And the front of the car. And the bottom. And it's licensed by Nissan and Kodansha, which is really cool. Alright, let's get to the unboxing here. Using my trusty box cutter, using the underside, of course. Perfect. Alrighty. Alright, so we have, it just says there's screws underneath, and there's a protection strip to open the trunk, so you can open it up, blah blah blah. And as you can see down here, there's the 4 screws. Looks like it's still sealed on the other side. Let's open it up. Bingo. And bango. I just love the color of this car. Like it's like that, there's a metallic sheen to it, if you can see that. There's like metallic flakes on it, so it's not just black. It's got this like nice metallic sheen, and you got these nice logos here, Night Kids. And I love the wheels, by the way. I think they're like Workmeister S1. Anyways, let's get to unboxing this guy. Alrighty, now that it's out of the box, first of all, again, nice color. You got this metallic flake. It's not really in your face metallic. It's just a little bit of sheen there, and it looks so much better in person. And if you have one of these models, you know exactly what I mean. Okay, so you got the Night Kids logo at the back here. A bunch of decals in the front of this door panel. You have a GT decal right there, and I think it's a little bit textured. There is a texture to it. And to the front of the model, we do see some nice vents. They are through and through vents. We also have this nice Skyline logo in the middle here. I think that's the S. And that Japanese license plate. I just love the headlights on this model. The windshield wipers are separate. And I gotta say, like, the wheels definitely stand out. They are very, very nice. This one seems to be off a bit. There you go. This feels a little bit off, that's all. And then pretty much the same on this side. I don't know if you can see that sheen there, but there's really this nice sheen at the back of this car. And we do have a rear windshield wiper for this one. You see a lot of details at the back as well. You see the Nissan logo, V-Spec 2, GTR, and then the embossed Skyline and the rear license plate. And we also do see a hint of that rear muffler back there. Very nice. And then it's chrome tipped right there as well. Here's the wheel detail for you. So it looks like the Workmeister S1 3-piece. You don't see any decals on it, but that's definitely what it is. We see each individual lug nut is painted black. You have that nice shiny chrome finish on the lip and sort of like a polished face. Looks like the rotors are drilled, and the caliper has a Brembo decal on it. Tires are nice and detailed. And let's look at the rear here. Should be the same spec since this is an all-wheel drive car. I like the color. Like I know this is kind of what the wheels are supposed to be, but I kind of prefer something like gold or something, or bronze, but you know, it is what it is. And pretty much the same on this end, but as you can see, the is that a hair or something? Anyways, you can see the tiny Brembo logo at the back there. Super tiny. Well, it's a tiny caliper at the back, but yeah. And same nice chunky tread again at the back. And as for the underside, we do see a lot of intricate components here. Steering rack, and yes, this car steers. Should be able to steer. You can see the oil pan right there. See a little bit of the diff. Transmission all the way to the back. See that piping for the exhaust. Rear diff. Gas tank. Yeah, super detailed. There's not a lot of color, but that's okay. Still very detailed. Like even that sway bar, I think it's a separate piece. Alrighty, time to check out the interior. Let's go with the driver's side. If I can open it with a hand, perfect. Okay, so door card. That's 3-tone detail. As you can see, it's a light cream color to a gray, and then there's some blacks there. The buttons on the side there are pretty painted well. Like, I know, looks like decals actually. We have a full carpeted interior. Nice gauge clusters, you can clearly see. Everything on the center console is also nice and clear. We do have some buttons and all kinds of stuff everywhere. It looks pretty accurate. And you see the silver pedals underneath there. And here's the cool part. So it's actually a fixed racing seat on this side, and then you also see the seat belt, and it comes in a harness. And then if you look on the other side, that's the R32 GTR seat, and that's so cool. It's like, it's just, you know, like that whole separate seat there for a fixed bucket seat on this side, you know, like they just went to the attention to detail for this car. See the shifter, the e-brake, yeah, super detailed. Let's go to the engine bay. See if I can open it up, perfect. And this one has a hood latch as well. See if it holds up, perfect. We see more of that RB26 DATT. So we have a silver strut bar, bunch of painted stuff, a bunch of decals on the fuse box there. Yeah, we got an assortment of stuff here. We even see some details on the rad. Might be like a few pipings here and there that are painted. We can see the Nissan decal there. Very cool model. And then we go on this side, passenger side. Let's see what we got. Oh, I forgot to mention, there is also a few of these decals with the keyholes on it. Same with the back. So I thought that was pretty cool. Let's see if I can open this guy. Looks like this one's a little bit hard to open. There you go. And this is the OEM seat that it comes with. It almost feels like it can recline. Pretty much the same in this door card. Same two-tone color, three-tone color. It just has the controls for this window. Again, nice carpeted interior. The vents are very, very detailed. Looks like the vents are through and through vents actually. And for the rear, you can kind of see a little bit. They are still the OEM rear bench seats. And we do have this rear defroster at the back. Nice detail in the wing, by the way. And we'll open the back of this car. We see a nice carpeted rear interior. And yes guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.